Nice wheels.
Basically got all rid of the chrome to lead, but wheels lift.
I'm out here on Glenwood Ave in Raleigh at Sound Station Security. I'm out here on Glenwood Ave in Raleigh at Sound Station Security. I got a friend of mine that works here and he does installations. You can see some of the clients he's got here. Some nice cars. They do some pretty nice custom work. I'm gonna go in and say hello and see what he's working on. Check out these wheels they got. Really nice wheels. What? They got some music going here, so I'll try to talk through it. But wow, this is pretty nice. This is Eric Reed. He works over here, and we're gonna go and see what you're working on. Let's check out what you're working on, man. Send out to everybody.
Yeah, so there was 5 of these golf carts, if I'm not mistaken. There was Pioneer promoted it basically as a contest.
Okay.
So we all had, I think it was 2 weeks to build it, and so I went against other people all over the nation with 5 other companies. So basically, everybody has the same golf cart, the same equipment. But you had to install it and do any installation that you wanted to. So basically I put the amplifiers like this, built these little plexiglass pieces. Now there is lights that are all light up.
Oh, they all light up, okay.
But I put a projector up here.
There's a steering wheel in the back.
Yeah, so basically it was the
in the front. There's 2 in the front.
It was for a video game thing. So it's,
okay.
So there's a PlayStation in here, plays onto the screen that I did. Built the whole roof. There's speakers up in here.
Oh my God.
I built the whole dash, custom dash.
Okay.
There's a TV back here. This was right here. That was already there. There's a TV back here, subwoofer enclosure, speakers back here, so that whoever's playing the video game can see back here also and play it back here or inside.
That's funny.
Rear view camera so you can back up and since you can't see anything.
All right.
And of course we won out of the 5.
Excellent.
We won best installation, best sounding system overall. I built the windshield, built the bumper.
So it just came with
Just the body.
shell.
Yeah, just the body. It was
Okay,
raw.
bare shell. Did you stretch it or was it that
No,
long?
it was already stretched. They already had the seats in there.
Okay.
And they already had these pod things.
Right.
What I did is basically like they had this big piece of metal right here. I cut it all around the sake of this so that it looked a little bit more better. Added a cup holder, like I said. Added carpet to it. It was just a rubber mat. I wanted it to basically touch every single piece of the whole golf cart.
Right.
There's wheel lights. There's white lights underneath. These, like I said, light up.
Oh, speakers up there.
Speakers light up.
How many watts is this system?
There's 3 amps. This is a 500 one and 400 by 4 and a 400 by 4.
I'm about to park the boat and call the boat.
Cool.
And it is loud.
Video here. What in the world? This is an old fire truck turned into.
It is. So this guy, basically, what he does is he's got well, I guess not him personally, but they've got numerous people, and then they got numerous trucks. They go around, help out hurricanes, flood victims, things like that. Drop off food, pick up people out of the water, or
Okay.
cut, chainsaws and stuff, cut the trees out,
Yep.
get things out of the way, drag whatever they might need out of here. So pretty neat little thing. So we're basically putting an alarm, doing a CB sound system and stuff like that in it.
Cool.
This one here, we just put ground effects on it. On the Tesla, so we just did the carbon fiber ground effects all the way around.
Oh yeah.
Installation on it. This one here, we did wheels, lights underneath, lights on the inside.
I like those lights that are inside the wheels.
Yeah, lights inside here.
Okay.
Sound system with the just radio and things like that. New speakers.
Cool.
here we're doing a full system in, which we're doing amps, speakers, radio. So kind of we take it all apart. So we put a new radio in, amplifier underneath the seats, both seats.
Wow. Taking it apart's the easy part. To put it back together, it's harder, isn't it?
It is. This boat here, we put speakers in it and a different radio,
A little of everything here.
amplifier. So we did speakers in the rear, speaker in the side here, and then speakers up front.
Oh yeah.
With a nice amplifier, you can see it from here, an amplifier mounted to the wall in there.
Okay. It's a Grady White? What is it?
This truck here, we did everything from putting the bumpers on, all the emblems were changed, black and white. Basically got all rid of the chrome delete, but wheels, lift kit.
Do they have to have a cover over these wheels?
Supposed to be, but they don't. This one,
But doesn't it kick rocks up into your paint?
Yeah. This one's got a custom box in here, audio system. Can film the front of it there. It's got 3 10s, I believe, in this one.
Do you run, have you ever run anything called Room EQ Wizard or anything like that? Where you can get a visual of what's going on with the system? I'll show that on my channel.
Yeah, motorized.
Because I got subs on my car, but they don't kick right. It's like, I think they're out of phase.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Nice
so big
fog
bumper,
lights.
big lights. Changed, of course, all the emblems again on the front here. Winch in the back, behind the bumper.
So what do you specialize in? What do you do mostly? Sound?
Yeah, well, I mean, we mostly do. I mean, here we do.
Everybody does everything?
Right, all the sound stuff.
Okay.
What I personally do is do most of all the customization stuff. Any fabrication that might need to be done. Yeah, we're basically sound stations, so we're all audio. This one here is we're going to put an amplifier. So this amplifier is a 5-channel amp, so it's going to power everything, all the speakers and subwoofer. And this guy's wanting to keep it stock appearing. So this is actually going to go down inside this little hole right here, and then hide right next to here, so it won't appear in there once it's in there. I'm remaking the door panels for this.
What do you mean you're remaking door panels?
So I can show you on the other one. So
Customize them so that they hold the speakers?
No, I'm just, I guess the guy can't get them for this car, so they're kind of warped looking, and it's warped out right here where I guess it's supposed to be flat, or they're not even on both sides. If one was flat, one's not flat.
That can't just be heated?
No, it's fiberglass. I guess on the inside it used to be cardboard. I guess at some point somebody fiberglassed it. So it's solid now. So what I decided to do was just remake the whole thing.
Okay.
And then he wanted to add subwoofers and rear speakers in this car. And I'm gonna put a subwoofer in the bottom down there and make it imitate like it's a bottom of a seat.
Okay.
And then add speakers to the rear where there's no rear speakers.
It's funny that there is rear seats. I didn't even know that.
Yeah, and they're not really not, to be honest with you. They're just a pad sitting on the floor of the car. So
it's just so that it can be insured as a four-seater.
Exactly.
Okay.
So this was the rear seat,
I
what they call a bottom of a rear seat.
Oh yeah.
And basically I'm gonna make a subwoofer enclosure and then mold this on top, which is what this is going to be, so it'll appear like the bottom of a seat, which is what I'm doing in here. So this will basically be the subwoofer box, slash rear bottom of seat, if you want to so call it that. two 10-inch woofers here, and then basically mold in the rear seat bottoms here. So this just kind of sits in the car, in the holes.
Do you have to put ports and stuff on that?
Do what?
Are you gonna have to put ports? You have to drill holes?
No, it's gonna be, it's just
Sealed?
It's gonna be sealed, so the sound's gonna come out from these little openings right here.
Oh, I got you. Okay.
So it basically sits in the car like this, and so the sound will come out.
All right, I got you.
Yeah, these little things firing down.
Okay.
And then these are the door panels that I'm making, which kind of roughed in right now, but so they'll basically be replacements with it. And then I'm just going to fill this in, smooth it down, and Bondo over it, and then I'll cover it, and that'll be the new door panel, I guess, that they don't sell.
Cool. You be taking orders for them, eh?
Yeah,
Probably
should
like
be.
everybody
I
wants
should
them.
make a copy.
Because if
of
it's
it.
because if it's happening with him.
Yeah. No, he said that I could go into business just making these and throw them on.
What year was that?
A 70 something. I said it was. I don't know what year. I thought it was
It's a
70.
Targa, right?
Yeah.
Carrera. Huh?
I don't know what year this thing was.
So folks, if you want door panel for your Porsche.
I don't know what year it is.
Yeah.
Maybe a 90, maybe?
Yeah, there's probably a few years that are the same part, so.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, I don't know. So that's
Well, that's cool, man.
what I do here. I do a lot more customization when it needs to, but right now that's what I'm working on, and pretty much it.
What do you think of that, guys? This is a little bit of work. Must take a while to do that stuff.
It does.
To order parts. And,
Yep.
yeah,
Just depends. Like this one will have about a week in when it's from start to finish.
yeah.
Some cars will work on them for months at a time. I just got done doing a big F-250 that I worked on for it's probably about 6 months. So
And I called you about my security system.
right, right,
The baby school stuff.
yep. So
So what do you guys think? That place is pretty cool, huh? A lot of custom stuff they can do here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And thanks for watching. Bye. Show you my neighbor's dog. Hi, Max. Do you want to be on YouTube? Say hi to the YouTubers. Where's your ball? Where's the ball? Oh, there it is. You want to play? You want to play? He'll eat this thing, so. All right, so there he is. What a character. He's showing off his other toy. What's that one? Can I throw it? He won't let me have it though. He'll just show it to me, but he won't let me have it. See? No, let me throw. Let me throw. No. I got it from him. He loves stuff that makes sounds. And he talks with it sometimes. What you got? What is that? What is that? That's so funny. What a character you are. What a character. Do you believe this guy? Do you believe this guy?